All right, buddy, we got the World War II German V-1 Pulse Jet. Here you go. If you want to read up on it, you're going to see this right here. There's all the specifications on it. All right, let's check this out. World War II, that is awesome, bro. Oh, okay, here you go. Y'all can read any of this stuff. Here you go. Anybody can help read any of these, please tell us. German, Patch, anybody? Oh yeah, the other side's open too. Okay, we're gonna look into some more here. All right, here you go. Anybody from Germany actually had any of your grandfathers fight in the war? Did they actually use any of these? Please tell us in the comments. It's amazing how they keep, I'm glad they're keeping some history alive. That is cool. All right, buddy, there you go. The V-1 Pulse Jet.